How's it going, guys? Welcome to Trade Confident. All right. If you guys didn't see the Bitcoin video, you guys are doing really well. Everyone subscribed over at tradeconfident.io. You guys have your membership. Awesome, awesome. You guys are up 35 to 70% on the Bitcoin long trade using the metrics. So congratulations for everybody in that trade. Just wanted to say that. This is kind of fun. I haven't been doing this before, but I wanted to show this to you guys. A couple people in the comments who are part of our membership at tradeconfident.io. I'm not trying to turn this into a sales video, but it's just really fun to show this to you guys. I show you my profits. Gary ended up making $1,800 from last weekend. Great job, Gary. You're one of you comment all the time, and I really love it. I really appreciate you, man. Thanks for sharing this with us. David Webb, congratulations. I became a member the day before yesterday. I took the short trade on Chainlink. I did come out with the short trade on Chainlink, and I showed that to you guys. People did really well. He made 200%. Oh, crazy. Currently more than 200%. So, David, shoot me an email. Give me an update how you're doing. Are you at 250% yet? You say that you're more than 200%. So I just want to say congratulations to these two gentlemen. There's more over email, but I don't want to show those because I don't have permission. Those are just both public on YouTube, so I can show those. All right, guys, let's go over Ethereum. And let's just jump right in. Last video I came out with Ethereum, I ended up updating the limit order for the short trade. It was right around here at about 2,800. I ended up moving it to 2,998. Real quick, let's make sure we do not miss this. This is going to update this morning, guys. So I have updated the limit orders for the short trades, and I have also updated some limits for the long trades in here. So at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, everybody who's looking to go long, everybody who's looking to go short, make sure you check this because it will update, and there are new buy limits and there are new limits for your shorts as well as the sell limits. So make sure you're checking this. Every single morning, you guys can follow any of the trades, even the Bitcoin trade I was just showing you guys. This is what people are doing. They're going to the live trades. It's the homepage, tradeconfident.io. And then down the front page here, these are all the coins that have live trades going on right now. It doesn't matter. Like, just click into one, and you're going to see exactly how to trade this. If you read this down here, or if you want to watch it, just watch this video, and you guys will see exactly how to trade this. We have not lost a trade on this channel yet. There's not been a single call that has ever lost. Will we lose one? I'm sure we will. It's going to be very hard, though, because of the risk management that we use to lose a trade. That's why we haven't lost one yet. Okay, for all of you in the short trade, let's go over this. Ethereum, we are still seeing a strong amount of divergence on the price versus the well money flow. Price is in pink, well money flow, the money flow of the market is in green. It is still heading out here while we see higher highs and higher lows form. We are seeing the trend exhaustion as well, pushing down, creating lower highs. This is divergence. This is divergence. This is still, in my opinion, overextended. Don't believe me? Let's go to the one-day chart. It doesn't take people with metrics or a lot of trading history to clearly see this hasn't seen a healthy higher low in the market. Now, you guys want to see a healthy higher low? Go to Bitcoin. This is very, very healthy. If you're like, Travis, pick me between Bitcoin and Ethereum, which one do you think looks healthier from a trend structure to keep going up? It's absolutely Bitcoin, like for sure. This is so healthy to get a higher low formation here to bounce and spring back up here. Like, even in any trending market, it's very nice to see highs, a higher low, a high, a higher low. It pushes the market up. It's part of supply and demand. It's part of liquidity. Ethereum, on the other hand, is just going straight up here without, in my opinion, a healthy higher low. And I'm not the only one saying this. Like, you should watch some videos on YouTube. They're calling like some crazy crashes for some people in here. There's also other people that are like, it's going to flip Bitcoin by the end of the year. It's going to go crazy. So we've got two perspectives. Take a look at the trend exhaustion on here. Does this look like anything like you might have seen back here? Well, it kind of does in my opinion. And last time we saw this, we overextended ourselves, and it was the biggest drop anyone has ever seen on Ethereum. Ever. And we're at the same spot again, okay? Previous before that, we saw a healthy higher low. Like, even a 4-candle red day would be very healthy for this to continue up and keep blasting, okay? I'm pretty sure this is obvious for a lot of people, but I'm showing this to you guys in here. If it's not obvious, like even the well money flow, last time we got this high, it was peak prices. Like, look at this. We are basically consolidating at the top, going flat at really high levels. Consolidating at the top, going flat. Last time, this thing dropped drastically, okay? Just giving you guys a heads up. If you guys want these indicators, go into the description. They're 60% off. They're going up September 1st. It's good to have them on your chart so you can follow along with me. Okay, for this short trade, the entry was down here at 2,638 and 10 cents. All right. The next limit, basically you have 4 limit orders for short trades. The next one is at 2,998, and the other 2 are going to be updated over at the website, front page, scroll down here to Ethereum, and then you guys will see this at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Look over here. The first 4, if you guys want to enter into a trade and you're not already in, the first 4 yellow lines above the white dotted line are where you guys can place entries for shorts. Now, people are already into this one, so this is going to count as number 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's going to update. These aren't the actual ones. Just check here at 8 a.m., okay? So for, let's go over this. I want to go over the metrics and show this to you guys. This is going to give you guys a strong indication of who's on your side. Is there anybody on your side actually also shorting as well? Well, there is, okay? Metrics today are going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's currently 6:30, so we'll call this an hour and a half, okay? Emotional Index did something very interesting. It did drop down, but it did shoot back up. If this comes out this morning and this shoots into greedy, the last time we were in greedy, guys, was at the all-time high. It overextended itself. It did go a little bit further, and it overextended itself, and we saw the biggest crash on Ethereum we've ever seen, ever, okay? The previous time before that, we did see an overextension and even a nice, healthy higher low, which was over here at the 4 red candles that I was talking about for a move down. Like, it's so healthy to get moves back down in the market before we start moving up. So this is a sign that we could start seeing another drop in Ethereum. Now, take a look at this. If you guys are looking at the short and the long trades, short trades have been increasing far faster on Ethereum than long trades. It's very clear if you guys are looking at this over the last few days. I say that to say this. There are a ton of people in here with you guys on short trades, not just from what I'm calling, but the market as a whole. It's very obvious. When short trades were very high here, this could not continue up, and people made a ridiculous amount of money holding this on the way back down for short trades, okay? So there are a lot of people on your side going short. Now, long trades are increasing. The reason for that, I believe, is people are trading with the trend, and they're literally using metrics like these, the RSI, the stochastic, the MACD, and the MAs. They're trading with the trend, and they're pushing the price up, okay? But this is something you want to be watching over the weekend, because I'm not coming out with videos tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday. Hopefully, me and my wife will actually deliver our baby maybe this weekend. We'll find out. I'll let you guys know. We're due on August 9th, so maybe next week. But over the weekend, make sure you guys watch us. If short trades increase and long trades decrease at all, very good sign that we could be heading back down. Long versus short trade risk, all right? This is still showing that we are in a good short trade section. We haven't pushed up to great, but we might actually see this push over the weekend into a great short trade section. Well, let's take a look in the past history when this happened. This was pushing up over here. We saw an extension. Anybody who took a short trade anywhere within here made back all of their money all the way back down and did very, very well, okay? We also see people taking short trades up here and they end up dropping down the price. Now, this is a very big bull run. Anyways, anybody who would have taken profit on this is the beginning of the psychology of a market cycle. A lot of things go up. Anything after the first spike of the psychology of a market cycle is more accurate. Okay, the beginning pump can sometimes throw things off. That's why we're actually in one of the best times to be trading crypto ever is after the initial pump. After the initial pump. I'm telling you guys, like really, this is the best time to be trading crypto and making money. So if you guys are looking at well institutional smart money, we did see a very high metric out here flow to the downside for short trades. Okay, we saw a drop off and then we saw a move back down. This is where I think we're going to overextend ourselves, somewhere up in this area. And I did think we could push up a little bit higher, so that's why I moved our second limit up here. But let's keep watching this over the weekend. If we start pushing up into the long trades, very good sign we're going to keep heading up. But as long as we are creating bars, metric bars on the bottom side here, last time we did this, it could not sustain itself. It dropped. It could not sustain itself over here, and it dropped. Whales and institutions getting smart all the way up, just shorting, buying more shorts. They know it's going to drop, and they drop the price out, okay? Take a look at the price, the support resistance prices. If we drop out, where are we going to go? I think a drop down to 2,437 is a great place because it correlates to this structure, and this structure right here. 2,437. Where is that on the chart? 2,437 puts us right here on the chart. I do have let me up this here so you guys can see the horizontal lines. The next entry for a long trade has actually been updated, and you guys need to check that on the metrics when they come out at 2,509. I'm giving you a little sneak peek of this because I've updated on here already, okay? So if you guys are watching this is where it's at. Make sure you guys watch the chart for the rest of them. But I actually currently have this set up in my exchange as well, and you guys will see this right here if I refresh this. All of my buy limits for Ethereum and ADA are already placed in the exchange. So If we let this load here, you guys will see it right here, 2,509. So 2,509 is exactly the next place for my long trade. I do expect to see this create a healthy higher low. If we get in here, I think that's a great place to be tagged in right around these structures before we could see it bounce back up. Okay, let's finish these metrics and then I'll end this video. Those of you guys who dollar cost averaged into any of the green lines, you're doing fantastic down here. You guys are all in extreme profit at the moment. Have an extra $1,000, you just want to follow one metric and throw it into the market. Great metric to be watching, guys. Keeps trading incredibly, incredibly simple. All right, exit points. These are great for once you guys are already in long trades to look to take profits. If you took 50% profit around here, like I actually ended up exiting all of my Ethereum trade right around this area. Part of the reason why I did that is because we ended up getting this red bar. So I'm using these literally on a daily basis when I see it come out. Now, in hindsight, they're like, oh, it kept going up. When you're at this point, guys, you don't know if it's going to go down. You don't know if it's going to go up. Historically, this is called the drop here, called the drop there, called the drop there, called the drop here. It's done very well calling this drop here, called that drop as well. Even this little guy over here. So it is smart of you to maybe not exit 100%, but maybe do what I did and I exited 50 and I exited 25% and then I exited another 50% after that. So dollar cost averaging out, maybe percentages out of your trade is not a bad idea as well. So if you guys want access to these metrics and the live trades over the weekend, make sure you're coming over here. Everything's transparent, guys. Nothing's hidden. It's $49 a month. You get access to all of this, all right? All the metrics, all the live trades are available right now. Let's see what happens with Ethereum over the weekend. The best thing to do, here's my advice for you over the weekend. Make sure you guys are setting up your sell limits. I can't say this is financial advice, entertainment purposes only for YouTube. But make sure you guys are setting up your sell limits if you guys are in any type of long trades, obviously, and then set up your limits for your short trades as this populates. And if you guys want to get into a long trade, this will actually update and you guys can put all 4 buy limits in here and follow me on this channel with the next entry that I take. We have not lost a trade on this channel yet. Not a single trade has been lost. Part of that is because of really, really good risk management that we're using. And that is how I'm able to, call these drops and actually still be in the profit and never actually lose one. So congrats, guys. God bless you so much. Enjoy the weekend. If you guys have any questions, feel free to email me. I will get back to you Monday as soon as possible. But all the metrics you guys get immediate access to. They will update every single day, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, all the time. And you guys can access these as well as the indicators in the description. You guys can get this on your TradingView account. All right, guys, have a good one. I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.